Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds. Happy plugs, joy! The first method is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. It's the most common method. So connect adapter to the power, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable to this port, and near to the port we have the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. So connect USB-C cable to your phone, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. And the second cable to your charging case. And again, we have the LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A cable to USB-C. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect to another device with USB-A port. And now we need to check the LED light, and we have it, so it also charging your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging or wireless charging station. This three methods is the only one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!